So I'm filming these birds. I looked out my window and I saw that my tree was completely full of birds. It's all the same kind of bird, but they're eating the buds on my tree. I counted about 25 of them at one point. Literally amazing to see them just fly into the tree, and they've been sitting here for a while just eating the buds that are growing on this tree. They're making lots of noise, but it looks like they're all getting lots of food. Pretty amazing to watch. Just right out my window. Look at them, there's so many of them. They're just having a feast. Pretty amazing stuff. Kind of cool when you get to see nature like this.